Hi everyone, hello and welcome to the show. It's my pleasure to serve you. Before we start this video, I would like to thank you all for giving this extraordinary support and love. If you are new to my channel or still not subscribed, please subscribe, it's free. But it will help me a lot to keep creating educational content for you. Start hitting Ctrl I from the keyboard to get into RAID configuration menu. Now we are inside RAID configuration menu, Intel Matrix RAID. So you can see here the number of the hard drives SSDs connected to the PC, and here we have create RAID volume and exit highlighted. Still there are some options unavailable. We want to create here, this demo will be for RAID 1 and RAID 0. In RAID 1 it will create a volume, mirror volume, exact replica of one drive, and in RAID 0 it will copy data from one drive to another, consolidate all 4 drives. So, and one more thing, before you go to this, you will not find this option unless you enable RAID in the BIOS. If you have one hard drive, no need to create RAID. Just continue normally. If you want to protect data protection is your target, then choose RAID 1. Let's start here creating RAID. First it is asking to name the volume. This is for the identification, because here we can create 2 RAIDs, RAID 1 and RAID 0. So here I want to choose RAID 0. For demonstration purposes, I will delete the RAID array. Press enter. I will select here RAID 0. This is striping, and then select the disk. I will select here all 4 disks. The size of each disk is 476 GB. So approximately it will give you 2 TB of storage space. Select all drives using spacebar and down arrow key. I will select all 4 drives. Once you finish selecting, press enter, and then strip size. Strip size you can depend on your need. You are going to install database. For large files, choose big stripe size. By default it is showing 32 kilobytes. Now you can see the capacity is almost 2 TB. Hit enter and create volume. It is giving a warning message, all the data on the selected drives will be lost. Are you sure you want to create this volume? Let's say yes. Now you can see all 4 drives. In green it says member disk. Now these all 4 drives are member of RAID 0 array. Now you can see option to delete the RAID volume and reset disk to non-RAID. Here we cannot choose reset disk to non-RAID because this is RAID 0. If we reset one disk to RAID 0 normal drive, it will delete the whole array. So I don't like RAID 0. My preference always RAID 1, because it protect the data. It copy the data to 2 drives. It synchronize both drives simultaneously. One drive failed, you can recover from the another drive. You can make experiment. You can remove the drive after shutting down the computer and connect to any USB docking station or external drive. In Windows environment you can see the exact replica copy of the data, so you will not lose any data. This is the best way to protect your company data or your personal data. I will delete RAID 0. Stepping volume, confirm. All the data in the volume will be lost. Just say yes. and array is deleted. Now all 4 disks are non-RAID disk. None of the disks is member of any RAID volume. Let's create the RAID again. This time we will choose RAID 1. RAID 1, you need to select RAID level using up and down arrow key. Select RAID 1 mirror. Now you need to select the disk. In RAID 1 you can select maximum number of 2 disks. I will select both Lexar and enter. You can see now 476, 476. I select 2 devices. Now it is giving me half capacity because it will replicate the data into the another hard drive. So you will get half capacity. Hit enter, create volume. Again the warning message, all data on the selected disk will be lost. Be careful before you create the array. Be careful, all the drives are empty or you must have a backup. Press yes. Now 2 disks are member of RAID 1 array and still 2 disks are non-RAID disk. Let's create another RAID volume. In Intel matrix storage, you can create 2 volumes. It's up to you. You can create both RAID 1 mirror 2 volumes, or you can create one RAID 1 and another RAID 0. It's upon your requirement. I will choose here RAID 1 and RAID 0. So RAID 0. Enter. Select disk. And it is smart. You don't need to select the disk. Automatically it assumes that remaining 2 disks you want to use for RAID 0, because you cannot create RAID 0 with 1 disk. Press enter. Now it is consolidating both drives. It is giving almost 1 TB storage space. Hit enter, create volume. All the data will be lost. Accept the warning message, say yes, and now you can see there is 2 arrays, RAID 1 and stripe RAID 0. Now we will reset this to non-RAID. We can only reset this to non-RAID from RAID 1 array, because RAID 0 array is stripe, and from stripe if you delete one hard drive it will delete the whole array. So reset this to non-RAID. We can select Lexar because this is part of the RAID array RAID 1. To select, press spacebar and hit delete. Now it is giving you a warning message. Are you sure you want to reset RAID data on selected disk? It will delete the data. Resetting a disk causes all data on the disk to be lost. So say yes, and now it says degraded volume detected immediately. It is giving message degraded volume and disk available for rebuilding detected, and immediately it find out that there is one extra disk, so you can rebuild the RAID. I don't want to rebuild. This is for the demo purpose. I delete the RAID, and now press escape from the keyboard. You will find highlighted in yellow, it says RAID 1 volume is degraded. Intentionally I delete the RAID, delete the member disk of the RAID 1 volume. Now either you can create RAID again, rebuild RAID again from the BIOS, or you can go to Windows. You can use Intel Rapid Storage technology from the graphic GUI and start rebuilding RAID, which I make a demo in my another video. You can watch that video. Now I will install OS operating system, and we will see there how to recover degraded RAID 1 volume. As you can see, now we are in Windows environment, and we have Intel Rapid Storage Technology utility installed. We will double click, the utility will open, and it will show you the current status of your RAID array. Here you can see our RAID array is degraded. It was RAID 1, one drive is failed, missing hard drive from the RAID array. It can see the drive because I just reset. There was no hardware failure, so still it can see another drive, but it is not part of the array. So what to do? Just go to status, and simply it says rebuild to another disk. It is giving you option. It shows degraded. Just click here, select the disk, and again there is a warning message. Completing this action will permanently delete existing data on the selected disk. Also, you can do one more thing, because I just reset the RAID array, but still the data should be there, same copy of the disk 1, because it was synchronized. So you can connect to the external drive or USB docking station, and you can copy all the data. So now what we are going to do, we are going to select rebuild, and it will start. See, it says Intel Rapid Storage Technology volume RAID 1 rebuilding in progress. It will take some time to rebuild the hard drive. 1% rebuilding is complete. It depends on the amount of the data and size of the SSD. SSDs are faster than hard drives. Usually 1 TB drive will take at least 1 hour. But as our hard drive is fresh Windows installed, there is no extreme data, so it could take 15 to 20 minutes to finish the rebuild process. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I am sure the given information will be valuable and helpful in the near future. Please subscribe the channel for more upcoming awesome videos. Leave your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get instant notifications of my new video uploads. See you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Keep watching.